Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you how to access the parent. So we've got code from a previous tutorial, feel free to check that out, which covers, basically filtering children, traversing over children. But if you want to do it for a parent element, it's pretty simple. So what I am going to say is what I'm going to do is change. I'll actually just get rid of all this. I'll call this I'll actually just add an ID. So I'll add an ID of hello. I'll get rid of this one. And I'm gonna say, so I'm going to select the element. So this is the child element that we're selecting first. So it's with an ID of hello. Was it capital H? I prefer capital H for IDs. Yes, there we go. And we're gonna say dot parent. So this has selected its immediate parent now. We'll do dot add class. Before we even do this, let me show you what it looks like so you can see. So it says div1, and now, so I say, I'll put some text here as well. There we go. Okay, so if I do dot add class, I've got a class called red here. I'm just gonna add that class. I'm just gonna say red. So if I run it, this class has been applied to the parent, which also gets applied to the child. What happens if this is in a whole nother class as well? I mean, a whole nother element. Again, it doesn't have to be divs. I just like using divs because they're really simple, but it could be anything you want. So if I say root div almost, and I reload, as you can see, it only applies it to the immediate parent, not the other parents. But what you can do is, if I reload, or just copy and paste this, I will comment this out. If I change parent to parents, and I reload, it trickles all the way up, and it will affect all parent elements. And if I were to just add some code outside of this, like hello, for example, it literally goes all the way up to the root element. That's how you use parent and parents. You can also use an optional parameter to basically filter the search for your, the parents, the ancestors. You can apply that into here. This could be a class, this could be an element. I want you to do that. So you say, only these type of parents I'm going to apply this class, or do whatever you want to it. That's an extra task for you. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.